So hi guys, we're here at Sarco's Food Park in Lapu-Lapu City, and today we're gonna have some Pakistani food. So let's go inside to Biryani Hut. Come on, let's eat. Dinner today. If you love biryani, mga Pakistani food, Indian food even, mga biryani like curries, they have it in Biryani Hut. They're now available, of course, their Grab signature, so exclusive to their Grab. And yes, I know they have a lot of fans from Cebu City. Soon they'll be opening in Mandawi, I think, and Liluan. But also, now with this new place, they can reach now a greater, more areas like mga Mactan, Newtown area, because it will be around Suchi has a 7-kilometer radius. So try them out, Biryani Hut, for the best Pakistani food, both beef, chicken. They have even samosas as well. So try them out, tanawa lang. And yeah, let's keep on supporting mga local businesses natin like mga small businesses. Oh, kung taga Lapu-Lapu mo, check this out, yung Sarco's na food park. There is a Pajac. Alright?